So few weeks back, I made a video on Jamna Auto where I did the full analysis of this company right from the fundamentals to the price action, and I recommended it for buying. And after few days only, I did one price action video update on Jamna Auto and did the same, recommended it for buying. But when the market took a beating for the small cap and mid cap, Jamna Auto, after getting a good start, it also dropped, and many investors who did set their stop loss at around the price of 110 or below, they were stopped out. But seems like Jamna Auto is now back on track, and very soon it could be continuing the rally which it was trying to start few weeks back. So in this video, I'm again going to do the price action analysis of Jamna Auto and give you the update, and I will tell you if you can make an entry in this stock right now or not. So let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So you can see Jamna Auto, after coming to this level, it started off really well, and it was looking like it was going to continue the uptrend, but it took a bad beating and it came down drastically, okay, below the price of 110, and investors did panic. They sold their stocks, and which is also fine because you have to set stop losses for your investment and trades, okay, and definitely for the positional traders you have to set your stop losses. But now let's see some detailed price action in this video. Let me first delete this black line. I will tell you what it was. I will draw it again, okay. You see, after coming to this level, okay, of 107 around, okay, let me just take it a little bit up in case you are not able to see this level, okay. You see, after coming to this level of 107, from this top, Jamna Auto did form a piercing pattern, okay. This is the piercing pattern because it crossed the middle line of the body of the previous red candle, and the next candle was also a greener candle, clearly telling that the bulls are super active at this place, okay. At this level they are super active and they are ready to push the price upward, okay. Now let me just go back and redraw the line that I had drawn, and the line that I had drawn was the VWAP, okay. When I set the point here, you can see the VWAP is telling us that once this line is broken, okay, on a daily time frame, okay, that I did draw the line in daily time frame, okay, this is the daily time frame, and once it is broken, then we can conclude that the stock is actually getting stronger and stronger, and it could give us the opportunity for investment. So in order to do one detailed analysis, what I'm going to do is I will go to the 1 hour time frame, okay. This line has been drawn, it will be there. So let us go to the 1 hour time frame and see the detailed view what is going on here, okay. So you can see we can adjust this point as well, okay. When I adjust it, it looks like this, okay. So you see, after breaking this level, okay, after coming close to this level, the price was not sharply pushed down, clearly telling that the bulls are strong here, okay. It was again pushed up here, okay, and it stayed in this level, it never went down below this level. And you see, in last few hours, after touching this level for one final time, today in the morning itself we are getting a big green candle, and currently it is plus 5.74%, okay. The gain for today, it crossed 6% just few minutes back. Now it is slightly consolidating in the 5 minutes time frame or something, okay. So we can see the big bullish power here as soon as it touched this line one last time, okay. And if I draw the 50 EMA here in 1 hour time frame, okay, you can see a crossover, and actually this is one good strategy to pinpoint your entries in stocks for swing trading, positional trading, and for investment, okay. And also in future videos I will show you how you can use this strategy in making an entry in IPOs. Let's say you have applied for an IPO and you did not get the allotment, okay, that is not a problem. Once it is listed, you can assess the strength of that stock and then go to the intraday time frames like 15 minutes or 1 hour and then make entries, and you can be a part of this huge rally. Let's say IRDA, okay, IRDA, it gave a huge rally after getting listed. It was the people who applied for it got it for the price of around 32, then it went up to 180 also, okay, multifold returns in just few months, okay, less than 1.5 months I believe, okay. So that move you can capture once I show you that strategy, but that will be a separate video, okay. And coming to today's topic of Jamna Auto, you can see the same thing happened here, Okay, we are getting to see a big green candle in 1 hour time frame already. Okay, and the current time is 9:49 am, so 1 hour is not complete, so that's why we have just one candle for today. And the first thing that we are going to check here is the volume. Okay, once I enable the volume, you can see the volume bar is actually very big. It's a big volume bar for this big candlestick, which is a good thing and which is also what we should look for. Okay, because the big price moves should always be supported with good volume. Okay, so we are clear now that the trend is getting stronger, and this is one area of confluence and a precise point for entry. Okay, and if I enable the super trend indicators in 1 hour time frame also, I'm pretty sure we are getting to see the same result. Okay, so we are not going to do that. What we are going to check along with this is the momentum indicators. So let me enable the momentum indicators, MACD and RSI. So let's focus on them one by one. So when I come to MACD, we are getting to see a crossover, a quick crossover. You can see the red bars were big here, but immediately the green bar started appearing after this big green candle, clearly indicating that the stock is gaining strength from this price point onwards. Okay, now coming to the RSI, we are getting to see the levels sharply went above the moving average, this black line, and also above the 60 line. Okay, clear indication that the stock is actually gaining strength in 1 hour time frame. Now let's take a look at the bigger picture. Okay, and see how the momentum indicators look like in daily time frame. So I'll go to the daily time frame, and there you go. You see, in the last few days itself, after this VWAP line was broken, the MACD indicator started indicating that the stock is actually gaining strength, and very soon it could be going up. And you can see the same in RSI also. It was using this black line as the support. Okay, and immediately today it has gone up above the 60 level. Let's see where the price closes. If it gives a big move of 7, 8, 10%, then definitely it is going to close above the 60 level. I mean the RSI. Okay, currently it has slightly crossed 60. It is 61.02. Okay, so clear indication that the stock is gaining strength. Now coming to the final conclusion for today's video, can you make an entry in this stock right now? Well, I think you have already got the answer. Definitely yes, you can make an entry based on this crossover that we are getting of VWAP and 50 EMA in 1 hour time frame. And also I have done the full analysis of Jamna Auto. If you have missed that, I will add the links of the previous 2 videos in the description section. Please go through them and you will definitely know the reason why Jamna Auto is actually going to be a very crucial investment for you in small cap and mid cap sector. Okay, you will be clear about that point. So that is all about today's video. The key takeaway is, again, once again I'm going to repeat that it is at a very good point for entry. If you had invested watching my previous video and you have stopped out, not a problem, you can make a re-entry right now. Do not leave a stock because it gave you a loss just few days back. Do not leave it. This is a crucial investment and this company is actually a very good company. Okay, watch my full video on this stock and you will get to know reason why I am repeating this. Okay, and the wise investors should not miss out on this opportunity. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. And also you will be able to access members exclusive videos, the tutorials which I release for the members, in which I teach how you can analyze the stock fundamentally using the crucial parameters, not the traditional parameters which everyone uses and they do not get results. Only the crucial ones which will put you in the top 10% or top 5%. Okay, you don't have to spend much time doing fundamental analysis, checking balance sheet and all. You just have to check the crucial points in order to identify if this stock is fundamentally strong or not and it is investment worthy or not. Okay, and in coming days obviously I am going to release more videos because I have divided the fundamental analysis into different parts so that the video won't be long. Okay, I'm going to release the other parts as well, and also the price action videos, which are the most important part. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.